Are you interested in helping your children improve their academic performance? Would you like them to have a head start that will keep them one step ahead of the pace in class and well tutored for a better output? Over the last 4 years and counting, Zenith Lead 101 has been devoted to tutoring learners to achieve success in their academic performance by providing learner-centered teaching styles and helping them gain deep understanding of their subjects. We help students succeed from early on in school, and we stay committed to them through school. Whether it is from foundation tier to higher tier, we prepare learners for term exams, GCSEs, SATs, 11+, Edexcel and the likes in subjects such as mathematics, English language, and sciences. Having provided over 2,000 classes to students in the UK and the USA, we have a wealth of experience that you can trust to help your child improve and learn ahead of the regular class. This is one of the many success feedbacks we have received from our clients.
Thank you, teacher. I found out that I passed my SETs result and I got the highest scores for all subjects, and especially maths. And I just wanted to say I appreciate you, because you're one of the reasons why I passed my SATs and the reason I can continue my journey to secondary knowing this knowledge that you have given me. So thank you very much, and I look forward for you teaching me in the future.
Enroll your child today. Your success story is next.